All right. So back to my leverage trading. You can see that I started in July. This chart tracks the value of what if I had just taken this cash and just saved it? I saved it at about 5%. And then what if I had just bought Bitcoin? So this is the orange line is dollar cost averaging Bitcoin, making the purchase at each time of adding the capital. And then you have the USDT. USDT is the actual value in USDT that I have from doing this leverage trades. You can see in here, if you look carefully, that I haven't really done any trades for a number of days now. Just waiting for things to um, turn around. I don't really want to short at this point because I don't think that we're in a bear market. And I also don't want to long because I think that right now we're in the middle of a correction. So I don't want to be long in the middle of a correction. So Bitcoin dipped substantially here where I was completely flat. So it'll be interesting because ultimately the goal is to outpace this orange line. Now, why is the blue line of savings less significant? This blue line of savings is just a standard line to see how well everything is going compared to kind of, a no risk or low risk option. But we know that this loses over time. The savings amount will underperform everything. You will lose money in being able to buy every kind of good. So instead, or in Bitcoin, ultimately the goal is to outpace Bitcoin. And you can see by comparing to the savings line, okay, the market's gone down. Did you outperform when the market went down? Yes or no? Okay, and then when it passes and goes the other way, well, the market was going up. Could you keep up with Bitcoin? So this will be the test. Can I outperform Bitcoin on both the downside risk as well as the upside gains? Then it makes it a very optimal way of trading and proves that it's much better than just dollar cost averaging or hodling Bitcoin. Taking a quick look at Bybit, you can see, yes, we got this available balance here. Today, like always, it is going to grow again by the standard $100 that's been being added since the beginning. Again, like I've talked about in many of the previous videos, these videos are to show my journey of learning about leverage trading as someone who's done other types of trading but realizes that whenever you try doing something new, it's good to start small and learn your way through it. That way, mistakes don't hurt much. If you lose everything doing something stupid, then you don't lose much and you're able to gain experience and knowledge before putting capital that pretends you have that experience and knowledge already. So, going here, pulling down, you can see that I did numerous trades and then just cut off the trades. So here, just been waiting, seeing what happens here, seeing where we pull back to, and waiting for a new entry. And this is the 4-hour chart. It's the moving average on the 4-hour chart. See what happens next. Will I enter in long again, or will I take a short, or just keep waiting? It doesn't hurt to wait and just see what happens. And by sitting watching the market, I'm able to re-enter anytime that it makes sense. So for example, if the market wants to break through here, it wants to show that it has strength to carry on, you can quickly re-enter and ride that up.